To understand possible alien life forms, you must understand plasma-based life forms. What is plasma? Plasma is the fourth state of matter, alongside solids, liquids, and gases. It occurs when a gas is heated to such high temperatures that its atoms lose electrons, becoming ionized and electrically conductive. This creates a soup of charged particles, ions and electrons that can respond to electromagnetic fields. Plasma makes up over 99% of the visible universe, including stars like our sun, lightning, auroras, and neon signs. It's not a rare exotic substance, it's everywhere in space, but on Earth, it's typically created in controlled environments like fusion reactors or naturally in phenomena like fire or electric arcs. What can plasma-based lifeforms do or react in the environment? Plasma-based life is purely hypothetical and not confirmed by science, but theories suggest it could exist in extreme environments like stellar atmospheres, gas giant planets, nebulae, or even Earth's upper atmosphere thermosphere. Unlike carbon-based life, which relies on chemical reactions, plasma life would be based on electromagnetic interactions and self-organizing structures in ionized gases. Capabilities. These lifeforms might form complex, dynamic structures like helical shapes or plasmoids that could grow, replicate, and communicate through electromagnetic signals. Lab experiments have shown plasma blobs that mimic biological behaviors. They can divide like cells, exchange information via waves, and even feed on energy sources like electric currents. In space, they could harness stellar winds or magnetic fields for movement and energy. Theorists like Freeman Dyson proposed plasma ecologies in gas giants, where magnetic creatures could thrive in turbulent storms. Reactions to environment. Plasma entities would be highly sensitive to magnetic and electric fields. They could be disrupted by strong M interference, e.g., solar flares, or contained, stabilized by them. They might react to gravity minimally since their low density, allowing free floating in space. Interactions with matter could be destructive. For example, entering a denser atmosphere might cause them to dissipate or appear as glowing UAP, unidentified aerial phenomena. Some hypotheses link them to pre-life stages, potentially incorporating space dust to form RNA-like precursors, but they're not biological in the traditional sense. In essence, they'd be more like living energy patterns than solid organisms, adapting to cosmic radiation or plasma currents rather than chemical environments. Suppose aliens are plasma-based lifeforms, what about their infrastructure? If aliens were plasma-based, their infrastructure would look nothing like our cities, roads, or machines. It would be ethereal and energy-driven, suited to their non-physical nature. Habitat and structures. They might inhabit plasma-rich zones like stellar coronas, planetary magnetospheres, or interstellar clouds. Buildings could be self-sustaining magnetic bubbles or plasma crystals that organize dust particles into stable forms. No need for solid materials. They could use electromagnetic fields to create containment zones, like natural force fields, to protect against disruptions. Technology and society. Communication might occur via radio waves or light pulses, allowing instantaneous telepathy over vast distances. Energy harvesting could involve tapping into stellar fusion or cosmic rays. Travel might involve riding solar winds or manipulating gravity through EM interactions. Infrastructure for reproduction could be plasma division in high-energy environments, and society might be hive-like networks of interconnected plasma streams. Interactions with us. On Earth, they could manifest as transient lights, e.g., ball lightning or UAP, passing through solid matter without harm but potentially interfering with electronics. If intelligent, they might view our physical world as primitive or irrelevant, observing without direct contact. This is all speculative sci-fi territory, inspired by theories like those of Vadim Saitovich on dusty plasmas exhibiting lifelike behaviors.